Well, hello folks. Today I wanted to take everybody through our Victory Series tow bars. We'll start off with the top one here. This is our Dominator, which is the aluminum tow bar with a 7,500 pound tow capacity rating. And it only weighs 30 pounds. So for folks who are taking this on and off the motorhome, or folks that want a lighter weight tow bar, the Dominator is really the way to go. From there, I'm going to move on down to our Commander 2 tow bar, which is a 6,000 pound tow capacity rating. And finally down here is our Excalibur 3, which is a 10,500 pound tow capacity rating. Both of these tow bars are made of steel. What I want to do next is walk through the features and benefits of our tow bars. All three of them have the same features, so I'll just talk through the features here on one of the tow bars. But as you can see, all three of them include a rise drop receiver. What does that mean for you? Well, we'd like to have your tow vehicle within 3 inches of level towing. Many times with this drop, or if you reverse it, rise, we have an 1.5 inch drop or an 1.5 inch rise, which is a total of 3 inches of movement in your tow bar. Many times this eliminates the need for having to have an additional drop receiver or rise receiver. From there, I want to talk just a little bit about the storage of our tow bar. Note that the Demco tow bars have these unique storage plates. So how they work is when you disconnect from your vehicle, you turn each bar, lift it to 45 degrees, and pop it into the store position. Now this bar is stored on the back of your motorhome, and you can store it in this position, both arms over to the opposite position, or one arm in each position. From there, one of the key features on a Demco tow bar is the independent arms. As we lift up the arm, you'll note that I can move the one arm independent of the other one. So as I'm hooking up my car, if you imagine that I've got a car here, I'm not tripping over the other arm while I'm hooking up this arm. It's a key advantage, and many of our customers really enjoy that feature on our tow bars. The other thing I want to talk a little bit about, we don't show them here as we have these on kind of a display wall, but all of our tow bars come standard with safety cables. They're mounted right to each of our tow bars, and they stay with the tow bar. Just for display purposes, we have them off on these tow bars. Moving on then, I want to talk just a little bit about the bar on the side. This bar is for storing our coiled electrical cable or our coiled air cable. Those would be the jumper cables that run from the coach to the car. You just leave a piece of the coiled cable go to the coach, the other piece of the coiled cable to go to the motorhome, slip a piece of it on here, use this safety pin to hold it on, and it stores any excess cable and keeps it from dragging on the highway. Lastly, I want to talk just a little bit about our latch feature. This is a unique non-binding latch. So you'll notice as you pull it out, it latches in place. And it's solid latched in place. These latches, the more pressure you have on them, the easier they are to release. Imagine having a car on here and you've got pressure on the vehicle on there. Even with pressure in the vehicle on there, the latch releases. So again, in closing, folks, these are the three tow bars by Demco in the Victory series. The aluminum with a 7,500 pound capacity, the Commander 2 with a 6,000 pound capacity, and the Excalibur 3 with a 10,500 pound capacity. If you have any further questions that you'd like answers to, please go to www.demco-products.com or call 1-800-543-3626 and speak to a representative at Demco. Thank you for watching.